Oh no, you're so cute. You found a home here, huh? No. No. Oh, linis. Today I have got a brand new house and lot in Tandang Sora, Quezon City to show you. But first, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. My name is Julia, and welcome to another Presello open house tour. So upon entering your main gate, you have here a 2-car port. Now it does not come with the hello with the roof, but you can always add one to it later on. Oh no, oh little fella, excuse me. Hey, you're not going inside the house with me. That is a neighborhood dog, a stray. So as much as super cute, you cannot go into the house with us. Okay, so this is your main entrance. Excuse me, let me just pretend that this door was closed to begin with. So this is your main entrance, and upon entering, you will be welcomed by your living spaces. So you have a really nice living setup over here. Got this really nice texture, and then over here you have a built-in for your entertainment system, so your TV, your sound system, etc. Shelves for books and knickknacks. And then this is your main stair. Now, I like how they did this. So it's a very interesting detail that hides your main staircase well and also offers you some design idea or element of hiding storage under the stairs. It's also where your breakers are, so easy for maintenance. Okay, so if that's your living room, then this is your dining area. So it's made to look even wider thanks to the mirrors. Yes, okay, alright, fine. Akala ko, papakita mo na yung sarili mo eh. And then you have here your counter and basically your kitchen. So meron pang mga construction materials because as I mentioned, this is brand new. What else? So you have lots of counter space, you have lots of storage. This is where your refrigerator will go. This is your sink, and this is your stove. Now from the kitchen, I'll circle back later on. From the kitchen, you have access to your utility area. So you've got your dirty kitchen. So you have a sink, and you also have here area or space for your laundry. So provision for your washing machine could be anywhere really. Could be here, could be there, could be here. It's up to you. And then you can just put some laundry lines or clothes lines so that you can hang your laundry here in private. And then over here, oh, may ilaw pala. And then over here you have your staff quarters, so really big windows, mind you. And then it also comes with an ensuite toilet and bath. Okay, so let's just close the lights. There we go. Like activating tank. Okay, so from the kitchen, you also have access to a powder room. So currently, of course, it's bare. You only have your water closet and your sink. But yeah, it's easy access for your guests or anyone staying on the ground floor. Right. So let's now head up to the second floor. Okay, so going up the second floor, you'll immediately notice how instead of handrails, you have this glass. Now, thankfully, the stairs are very easy to climb up. You don't actually need handrails. And it's also nice that they did this so that instead of having, a narrow space that's enclosed, it makes it feel like the area is actually bigger than it is. Now you're gonna have to excuse, of course, again, as I mentioned, this is brand new and parts of it have not yet been finished to like 100%, which explains the dust, the construction dust on the glass. Okay, is this storage or is this just design? Okay, I think it's just design. Naloko na ako because the previous houses that we did, I thought it was design, apparently it was storage. But anyways, all right, so we have here bedroom number 1. So you have here lots of built-in storage. This is a built-in desk, shelves, of course, lots of space. You have windows and an ensuite toilet and bath. Again, lots of space. Actually rather spacious, yeah, for an ensuite toilet and bath of a room this size. And then on the mid-section of the second floor, you have a family area. So again, you have more built-ins over here for your entertainment, etc. You could fit in a couch. Lots of provisions or outlets. So it's up to you really what you want to do with this space. Yeah, no. I don't know why I keep thinking there would be storage there. Yun nga pala yung toilet and bath. Okay, so anyway, from the family room, alright, you have access to a toilet and bath, but I'll show you later because it is a double access. Now this one has a glass panel, the door has a glass panel, but from here, it's solid. So it's just a design choice, but yeah, basically you have your sink, your water closet, and your shower area. So I like that it's not, they didn't use a door. So, you know, it's easier to come in and out of this place. And let's be real, you're not really gonna soak this entire area anyway with water. As long as you have this, it's gonna be pretty neat already. Okay, and then bedroom number 2. So you've got more built-ins, basically mattress na lang kailangan ilagay dyan. And then you have your wardrobe over here, and you have access to a front balcony. Wow, the breeze is really nice. Okay, so the balcony is, you know, it's basically as wide as the bedroom itself. So it's also very convenient because you have here a fire exit, and it's also where you can store the outdoor unit of your air conditioning. Okay, so let's head back in and up to the 3rd floor.
This video is sponsored by Carousel, the leading online platform for buying and selling new and second-hand goods. In Carousel, everyone wins. Buy, sell, give. Anything goes.
So coming up to the 3rd floor, hindi na siya glass, which is fitting because essentially your 3rd floor is the master bedroom. So from here you can see the bed area as well as a built-in entertainment console. If that's, I don't think that's a proper term for it, but yeah, your entertainment shelf. Then you have access to a massive balcony. This is really nice and solid. So, okay, technically that's your neighbor, but I like the fact that you can't see anything and they can't see anything off of you. So that's, it works both ways. Okay, so you have this massive balcony and you can put any kind of seating arrangement here, really. So this is really nice and also really breezy. And apart from your neighbor, which is again very private anyways, right next to that you have lots of greenery and trees. And again, I can't stress this enough, it's breezy. It's one of the things that I cannot show you through the video, but if you go here for yourself, you will see it and feel it. Okay, so back inside. So you have your sleeping area, and then you have a walk-in closet, right, with a solid door. So lots of built-ins, right? You also have built-in over here, built-in over here. And this is where your ensuite toilet and bath is. So you've got 2 sinks, your water closet, and then your shower area. But frankly, oh, by the way, if you haven't already, make sure you hit subscribe, just as this little thing keeps reminding us. Because hey, you've been watching our videos for quite a while. Am I right? You might as well subscribe so that you, and hit that bell icon so that you get notified for whenever we dish out new videos like this one. Okay, so back to what I was saying. This is the walk-in closet, right? And that's the ensuite toilet and bath. But my favorite part of this house, okay, behind this supposedly closed sliding door, is this room. Now this is the study or office. So just imagine the place without this, because as I mentioned, this place isn't completely 100% done. But just imagine like working in this environment. So you're still in your master bedroom, but you're in a completely separate area. You've got built-ins over here for storage, for shelves, for books. whatever it is that you want to store. And then you actually have space for 2 people to work here. But if you're just one person, man, you could have a PC setup here, or even just a nice and clean minimalist laptop. Man, it's gonna look great. On top of that, you have access to a balcony. So apart from opening the window, you could just open the door and let the wind or the breeze in, because this is the 3rd floor, and usually mosquitoes or flies don't enter the house anymore when it's the 3rd floor, right? The higher the floor, the less the insects that actually go in. So this is a really nice and chill spot. Okay, recap. Okay, so you've got 125 square meters of lot area and 295 square meters of floor area. 3 stories, a 2 carport, 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and baths, 1 powder room on the ground floor, a staff quarters with his or her own ensuite toilet and bath. And again, this place is in a quiet area near Tandang Sora, Quezon City. Careful, there's a kitty. Oh, kitty. Okay, yeah. So, all right, so if you or anyone you know is interested in a house like this, especially in this location, because this is very convenient. It's near Visayas Avenue, Commonwealth, Congressional, basically Quezon City Circle, right? So if you're anyone you know is interested in a house like this or in a place like this, send them a link or send us a message. Or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Oh, hello, kitty. Hey guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more house tour videos, click right here. And we also have this new thing called Working Lunch with Presello, where I and a few random people talk about a few random things related to real estate. So if you want to join in on the conversation, make sure you click right here.